Supplier management. You can create a new supplier, edit supplier, delete supplier, and check the statement of the outstanding, what are the payables for the supplier, and all about the supplier. There is the supplier management. You can click it here, heads, and here suppliers. This is all suppliers will be displayed here. Whenever you are clicking one supplier and clicking show balance, you can see the outstanding also, and I'll show the detailed statement also later. So if you want to create the new supplier, you can click it here, new, and give the supplier name. I'm going to give name for MOSC trading, and ID automatically generated. If you want to make your own ID, you can give the own ID also. I need to save most trading. I give the ID also same, or otherwise I can give any number or something. And name on print, if you want any name on the printout separately, you can give it there. And mobile number for the supplier, mobile number if you record, you can give. And fixed line number you can give, and email if you have, you can give. There is not compulsory, if you need you can give. And the tax registration number, if the supplier have the tax registration number, you can provide. And the supplier state code, and area, supplier area. And employee also you can mention which employee responsible for this customer. If you have, you can select it there, otherwise you can skip it. And tax category also you can select what are the category of the tax. Normally standard rated domestic purchase, I am doing this one. And the address, the supplier address, you can fill it here. You can give CR commercial registration number, and the address, road 1, building, and area, like that, or block. And you can fill the address here. It will display on your vouchers. And if any specified description for the supplier, you can give it here. And the credit limit days, in this supplier, how many days credit limit providing you can give it here. After the limit, again customer provide the product or not, you can mention it here. So for example, if I give the block here, in this limit, above 90 days any bill will be pending, you need to pay the supplier, your account will be blocked, you cannot able to purchase. On the credit limit amount also, you can give, for example, the supplier going to pay 7,000 limit for me, and after 7,000 the supplier will not provide. So it will be reach on the 7,000, my account will be blocked from that supplier. You can give the limits here. And any specified percentage discount your supplier provide, you can give. And the tax calculation, whenever you are making the purchase, what is the price list, and default mode of payment also you can provide here. And I'm going to click save and close. So the new supplier created here. You can search here also easily. There is various type of searching option, by ID, by mobile number, by address. Easily you can search various category of the type of the searching methods. Now I want to edit the supplier. I create, by mistake I need to edit something from the supplier. Easily I can search supplier first. For example, Twinmos trading, and I click edit here, and I can edit whatever record I need. Add w.l.l with limited liability company. So, and if address or any another field I need to add, email also. Easily I can edit it here, everything correctly. So this is edited, and email also added. You know, all information will be here. Show balance, it will show the if there is new supplier. So suddenly there is no any balance. And after that, deleting supplier. If you want to delete one supplier, I want to delete this supplier. So if there is any transaction, any purchase or receipt note, any transaction belongs to that supplier, you cannot delete directly. First you need to delete that transaction. So I'll show first deleting here. Yes, you know, can't delete because there is the transaction is the reason you cannot delete. But we created one new supplier, we can delete that one. Twinmos trading WL. So I need to delete this one. Very easy. Do you want to delete this party? Deleted. Now there is no, that one already deleted. And now another one, tracking this mission electronics. For the example, I want to track this supplier. What are the dealings I make from this supplier? So easily you can click here, tracking here. So all the transactions I made with Mission Electronics, it will be displayed here. Purchase, receipt note, purchase order. What are the transaction belongs to this supplier? Everything will be displayed here. And easily I can open also. For example, this purchase voucher number 2 I need to open. Just double click the voucher will be open. If you require any editing or any verification, easily you can make it through just one double click. And here also you can voucher wise also, if you click here purchase, only it will show the purchases from that customer. And purchase orders, you can give the purchase order. So only the purchase order will be displayed here. It's very easy. That is the tracking. Now statements. If you want to see the statement of account for this supplier, just click here statement, and you can select the between date from this date to this date. I'm just clicking here 365 days. So 1 year state from today to 365 days between the 1 year, it will be the date. You can last 30 days, last 7 days like that. So I'm clicking for 365 days. And there is two type of statement. One is standard statement, one is bill wise statement. Standard statement means it will be like bank statement, debit and credit method. Bill wise statement, what are the pending bills, outstanding bills, it will be display, or paid bills like that. So first I'll show the standard statement. I'm going to click here standard statement. The statement will be appear here. This is the present statements. So there is opening balance also. If I can print the statement here, or I can make it Excel, PDF, Word, everything I can make it from here. And I'll go another statement for the bill-wise statement. You can click it here, bill-wise statement. It will show the outstanding bills only. What are the pending bills? There is two type of statement. One is all. All, it will show all pending bills. It will display here. What are the pending vouchers? If you click it here, bill-wise aging. Bill-wise aging means you can see here 0 to 30 days, 30 to 60 days like that. Aging wise report, it will show here. So I'll show here bill wise all, and here will be, you can check all vouchers, settled and non-settled, you can see together, and the settled vouchers only it will be here, and the non-settled vouchers also you can see here. So easily you can understand the outstanding balance for the particular supplier. And there is pending attached document. For example, this Mission Electronics, you need to attach some documents, maybe some agreements with that particular supplier, or any another documents. You can just click here attach, and you can attach a document. Multiple attachment you can make it here. In the desktop, I am going to attach first this file. I need to attach here, and I want to attach another file also. So attach documents, I am going to attach this file also. Like that, various type of, even the Excel, Word, PDF, any file format will be support here for. And if you want to open that one, for example, later on after that you want to see the attachments, just search your supplier Mission Electronics and click attachments. You can see what are the attachments. Just double click, the attachment will be open also. It's very easy. And there is now you need to create a supplier like this in new. There is one quick creation option also. You can go the main menu. This is create new. All new creation will be here. Here suppliers. If you select here suppliers, you can create your supplier here also one quickly. And another one option also, while you are making the purchase, on that time also you can create the supplier. So here transaction and purchase, and here party selection. Here you can create new supplier also. Here plus button, you can click here new, and you can create new supplier from here also. No need to close and go there and create the new supplier. That is not required. You can create from this page also. You can create the supplier. Thank you.
For download, www.accrobiz.com.